Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Kick.com. Now in this video I will show you how to grow on Kick.com. So this is my new account here, as you can see, and I have 0 followers. So what can I do to actually grow on Kick.com? So I have a couple of tips that you can use, and keep in mind the Kick.com is a very new platform. It's not like Twitch, so the way to grow is actually much easier than going on Twitch and growing on Twitch. So the first thing that I would do is I would definitely set up a schedule of your streaming. So, make sure that you are in a niche that you like. So for example, if you're doing gaming, okay, make sure that you're doing gaming live stream every single Monday at 3 p.m., right? Or, just make sure to set up a schedule. Now, what I want to say also is make sure that you're streaming at least like 30 to 60 days in a row if you can, or if you cannot, then stream every single week for around 2 to 3 months on that particular day. This will basically increase your chances to grow on Kick.com, and you will get at least like 100 new viewers. Obviously you will need to be funny, relatable, and show some personality in order to grow. It's not just all about the strategy. It's pretty much mostly about you. So make sure to do that. Now, as you can see, you can also see what other streamers are doing right here. As you can see, if we visit one streamer right here, we can see
that joke with the family.
as you can see, we can see what they're doing right here, and what how they're growing as well. So as you can see right here, Z, it has 2,500 followers. Okay, what is he doing to promote? Maybe you can promote on Twitter, maybe you can promote on Instagram or YouTube, right? So you can do a lot of different things, but mainly to grow on Kick.com, and I'm aware of this because I saw other people grow on Kick.com, is live streaming consistency. You need to be consistent with your live streams. Your live streams need to be interesting, and that's pretty much what you need to do. You need to create a personal brand for yourself. Obviously, creating Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Discord, that can help you as well, because you'll be able to promote your live stream through those platforms as well. So these are just a couple of tips and tricks on how to grow on Kick.com. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.